News, kaunti ya Nairobi.
Na kamati ya hospitali ya Chiromo wamepiga jeki mradi wa kusaidia kupambana na tatizo la kiakili kati ya watoto na vijana. Kikosi hicho kimetoa zaidi ya shilingi 500,000 kwenye mchezo wa golf utakaofanyika mwezi Agosti kwenye juhudi za kusaidia mradi huu. Akizungumza kwenye hafla hiyo, kasisi wa Provost kanisa la Kianglikana la All Saints Cathedral hapa Nairobi, Evans Omolo, amesema kuwa wanashirikiana kuhakikisha kuwa swala la afya ya kiakili imesuluhishwa humu nchini.
We did put up the Children and Teens Center to address the various needs of the child, and therefore bringing on board Chiromo Hospital Group to particularly help us cater for issues around mental health and wellness, because children and teenagers come from families. In those families, there are many issues that affect them, and we want to ensure that we don't just minister to them spiritually, but we take care of their wholesome health, not themselves, but even going back to their families.
Spiritual therapy is a very key component in our overall mental health and wellness. And the spiritual leaders play a very vital role in the mental health and wellness of their flock and people beyond. If I go to church or a spiritual place of worship and I'm well nurtured spiritually, there are very high chances that when I come back to work, then the people that I lead and all my colleagues that I work with will also have that level of wellness. So we want...
Na kwingineko, wito umetolewa kwa